It could be a sneak preview of a quarter-final clash. It could well decide whose turf it'll be played on. Home advantage for the playoffs goes on the line as the Blues meet the Hurricanes at Eden Park.
Up the cave! Set!
This time in it goes from Christie. Front rows come down, advantage being played to the Blues. They can throw everything at this. Now Talia charges at the line, he's over. Unstoppable. Well, taking a while for it to come out. Satutu has a go. He's over. Take it back the other way, quickly on. It was awkward for Suafua. And Plummer has to go back. He's done well. Talia, look out. Anything can happen here. Humphries goes right up the middle. Oh, he's unbelievable. You said it. And penalty advantage. Choke.
Down, you went in the second time.
I think it was. Had two goes at it. Now Walker Leoetti busting through the first tackle, offloading to his locking partner Blackwell. Pass away to Roygaard. That's a beauty from the Hurricanes.
Gee, that was nice from the locking pair. Walker Leoetti.
Taken off the back and an advantage here to the Hurricanes, so they can have a shot at goal here as Geordie lines up the posts, gets it nice and high, and he's missed it. So 3 points go begging on the stroke of half-time. So prolonged period with the ball in hand at the outset of the second half.
Okay, new advantage.
And a new penalty advantage. So Barrett missed one just before half-time. He's missed that one too. Clatters back off the upright. They have got the ball back. And RD14 put on the ground.
Set!
The Blues again trying to force the issue. They have to release it. Christie, well, he's lost it. It's towed ahead by Rayasi, and now Proctor's after it. Gets his boot to it first, kicks it into the end goal. Billy Proctor!
The theatre to attack from the Hurricanes.
Advantage. Offside.
Referees playing advantage. They were offside. They go to the short side. Talia picks it up, tries to wriggle it. Oh, my Lord! What can this man not do? That's 3 tries. Again, the scrum goes forward, but they stay straight, the Blues. Now Savia off the back again, gets it away. Naholo! Slides it in the corner, and the Hurricanes are right back in it.
Just like that.
Now Eklund. They go down the back, and Tui Polotu is there, Segner. Heem goes hard, he goes straight, and he goes through, and he's got it away to Rico Ioane. That's huge. That might just be the winner for the Blues.
Take a bow, Bryce Heem, who just mentioned you before.
Oh, that time, ball squirting through his hands. It's been picked up by Billy Proctor. Here's Naholo. He's over. But has he got it down? Yes, he has. Oh! They've left 16 points out there tonight off the tee, have the Hurricanes, and that could well prove to be the difference, a massive difference. Caleb Clark has done some great work from the restarts. Now the ball is in the hands of the Blues. Heem again, driving them back inside the 20. Here comes Talia. He's got 4. He's got 4.
Oh, Mark Talia. How did you pick that ball up?
Hurricanes, too, are going to miss out on a bonus point. But in the end, the Blues have won it by 36-25. Such an important win.